In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Sheet ID in Smartsheet, step by step. This is something a lot of users struggle with at first, especially if you're working with integrations, APIs, automations, or third-party tools that require the Sheet ID instead of just the sheet name. The good news is, Smartsheet makes this very easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to grab your Sheet ID in just a few seconds. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Smartsheet in your web browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific sheet where you want to find the Sheet ID. This can be any sheet in your workspace, whether it's a project tracker, task list, or reporting sheet. Make sure the sheet is fully open so you can see the grid view and the top menu options. Next, look at the top left area of the screen and click on the File option. This will open a drop-down menu with several settings related to your sheet. In this menu, you'll see options like Save As, Export, and other sheet-related actions. From this drop-down, click on Properties. This is where Smartsheet displays important metadata about your sheet. After clicking Properties, a panel or pop-up will appear showing details about the sheet, such as the sheet name, owner, and other information. In this window, look for the field labeled Sheet ID. This is the unique identifier assigned to your sheet by Smartsheet. To get the Sheet ID, simply click on the Sheet ID value. You can highlight it and copy it using your keyboard, or right-click and copy it depending on your setup. Once copied, you can paste the Sheet ID anywhere you need it, such as into an API request, an integration setup, or documentation for your team. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied the Sheet ID in Smartsheet. This same process works for any sheet you have access to, so you can repeat these steps whenever you need another Sheet ID. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder that if this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.